Welcome to the American Dream, Home Buying 101. My name is John Tanner and I'll be your instructor. The goal of this course is to provide you with a cursory view of the 10 steps required to make your first home purchase, as well as introduce you to some of the hurdles that you may likely encounter while home shopping, and help you to overcome them. By the end of this course, you'll have a good familiarity of how to navigate through lender requirements, appraisals, and home inspections. And, as a bonus, I'm including a downloadable resource kit to help you keep track of each important step. With a myriad of options potentially available in your house hunt, from lot selection to design features, the information and checklists offered in this course may help you decide what non-negotiable you absolutely must have and what items you are willing to settle on in the quest for your dream home. The course begins with a brief description of the 2015 and 2016 market conditions, which, in the absence of a crystal ball, is the next best thing to inform us on the status of the current market. Next, we will discuss traditional and alternative down payment options. From there, we will review each step of the home buying process, from lender pre-qualification to hiring an agent, and from comparing neighborhoods to finding the right home and making an offer, to the due diligence process of acquiring a home inspection, reviewing the appraisal report for errors, and obtaining title and homeowner's insurance, to closing the sale. Lastly, we have attached a buyer's resource package with useful worksheets to help you identify, track, and measure some important items during your home shopping experience. Before we begin, I think it's appropriate to provide you with a brief introduction to your speaker. As you can see, my name is John Tanner, and I have been licensed in real estate in one capacity or another for over 15 years. However, I actually participated in my first real estate course nearly 25 years ago at Miami-Dade Community College in the fall of 1993 while I was in the Army Reserves. At the peak of the real estate boom in 2005, I held appraisal licenses in Florida, Georgia, and Texas, and I worked on both residential and commercial properties, completing appraisals in Florida, Texas, and Mexico. I was an associate member of the Appraisal Institute, a member of 4 real estate appraisal boards, and the owner of 3 boutique appraisal firms. My staff and I completed over $500 million worth of real estate valuations between 2004 and 2010. I have also worked in public education for nearly 8 years now and have been a language arts teacher, a reading teacher, and a drama teacher, as well as carried some administrative duties at the school. Towards the end of my appraisal career, mostly as a consequence of the real estate bust and subsequent recession, I elected to return to college to earn a degree, and I ultimately accumulated these 3 diplomas between 2008 and 2015. More recently, in the fall of 2015, I began working on a law degree part-time as an evening student, and will be at the halfway mark at the end of this semester. Upon graduation, I plan on working in the areas of franchise law and brokerage services, real estate commercial brokerage services. Now, in addition to my professional education, I have also spent many years in and out of continuing education courses, as well as advanced licensure classes for real estate sales, finance, investment analysis, appraisal techniques, hotel development, and asset valuation, and subsequently real estate law. As an aside, these are 3 books that I wrote and self-published some years ago on Amazon and distributed throughout the world. The last time I checked, which was a couple of years ago, I had over 5,000 downloads in 39 countries. But this is my first time creating a course on real estate, so I'm especially excited about this hybrid conversion of my 2 careers that I'm passionate about, which is real estate and education. So I'm really excited to be teaching real estate education in this course. Let's move on to session 1.